The process of extracting fish eggs, commonly known as caviar, is carried out carefully to ensure the quality of the eggs. Caviar is typically harvested from sturgeon fish, which produce large, flavorful eggs. Once the eggs are collected, they are filtered and washed with clean water to remove dirt and mucus. The cleaned fish eggs are then mixed with salt for preservation before being packaged. Commercially, this delicacy is marketed as a luxurious and expensive food item because sturgeon fish take up to 20 years to reach maturity.